This car can drive all by itself. No one in the car, as you can see. I'm running with a car. Okay guys, we are about to see the car of the future. It's a Peugeot. Now, I have never reviewed a Peugeot on my channel, but when they called me and said they had this car, I knew that I had to share it with you. So I have actually flown, look, there it's coming. There it is, there it is. I've actually flown to Italy. I'm on Lake Como. The one question I asked was, can I drive it? And they said, well, actually, you're going to be the world's first person to drive this car. Take a look at this. Look, I even got futuristic glasses for this shoot. Okay. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Actually, no cars are ever allowed in here. This is right on Lake Como. It is blocked off at the end there with concrete barriers. Now, what they've done is, specially for this car, they have opened up this entire area just for me to be able to look at this car and film it for you guys. So I'm really excited to show you this. This is the first time I'm seeing this car. I've not seen it yet in real life. You ready? All right. First test. Can I open? Okay. Straight up. Coolest thing about this car is, look, no one's inside and yet it's moving. This car is fully autonomous. It drives by itself. Here it is, here it is. Ah! Look at it. There's no one inside this car. That is pretty damn cool. Okay, all right, we're gonna have a little reveal now. This, remember, this is the car of the future. This, guys, is the E-Legend. The car has been here for about a minute. Look at all the people gathering around. For the first time is out in public. It's been to a couple of car events around the world. This is cool. This is weighted here. So it will always stay with the logo to the ground. The current Peugeot logo does not look like this. They've designed a whole new logo based on their original logo just for this car. So there is no handle, right? It's really super slick on the outside. If you just press these three little buttons here, the door will open. Welcome to the future. Check this out as well. Welcome on board a Supercar Blondie. That is so cool. You can personalize this car to the driver. Come with me. So this car drive off the truck by itself. It's fully autonomous, no steering wheel. However, when you want to drive, there's a D, drive mode. It's got my grubby fingerprints on it. There we go. Now check out what happens. The speaker comes out And the steering wheel is revealed. Check this out. What? That is pretty damn cool. And also the pedals move closer towards you because now you're in driving mode. So now you can reach the pedals easily. If you missed all of that, because so much was happening, let's put it back into autonomous mode and see how the wheel is completely folded back away. So here we go. This goes down, speaker comes out, wheel goes back, and the pedals also move back out of your way. Speaker goes down. There you go. There's autonomous driving mode. This comes down. If you're in autonomous driving mode, you can just watch a movie here on your screen, and your passenger has a separate screen here so that they can watch whatever they want. And that is a really decent sized screen. Even better than that though, if you want to like have a full movie experience, fold these away. Check out what we have down here. This is a 49-inch screen, and what it displays is actually a movie if you want to watch a movie, or if you're driving, it has a camera out the front so that you can have a more interactive driving experience. You can see what is happening out the front on this screen. I think that's so people can get in the back, so I'm going all the way forward.
Let me get in the back here. Whoa! Wow, there is so much space.
Really?
It's crazy, yeah.
Cool. Hey, here we go. See, the screen in front of you comes on so you can see what's happening.
That's awesome.
Is that cool?
Yeah, that's awesome.
I need to practice my dance. A little bit better than that. In autonomous mode, I can just watch a movie. Look how massive that screen is. It's like going to the cinema. Now you see one screen here. That's for boost mode. Basically, that's if you want a more focused driving experience. They compile all the driving information you need onto one screen in front of you. Now, if you want just a little bit more of a relaxed driving feel, you can press Legend here, and all three screens will come up. That's cool. So this is the kilometers per hour, and this is the rev meter. Gilles? Nice to have you here.
Hi.
This is Gilles, everyone.
Hi, how are you?
This is the global chief designer of Peugeot. This is very exciting. What Peugeot is trying to do is create a car of the future that is realistic, that we could literally see on the roads today, right?
Yeah, actually, we're trying to study the near future.
Yeah.
A believable future, and a future that can be interesting and delightful as an experience, and not try to go too high-tech and too far.
Well, let's take a look at the car.
Yeah.
Let's go in. Now, this is a fully electric car, you guys, so maybe you can also explain to us batteries. Where are the batteries in this? This is the batteries,
Yeah, you can even cool them down, you know, from here
wow.
when you drive or when you recharge.
Oh, no way. Oh, so this is a cooling system
Yes,
here.
exactly.
It pulls air into the battery area.
Yeah, exactly. And so, in terms of design, you know, the external silhouette of the car, having that very different from the rest of the car, makes the car look slim and elegant and
Yeah,
thin, you know?
I see that velvet is back.
Yeah, no.
Bright blue, neon kind of velvet.
Yeah.
What's the deal there?
Instead of having just high-tech fabric and high-tech materials everywhere, they brought back this super colorful velvet from the 60s. And so it relates to memory, to interesting and nice memories you might have of your childhood or something.
Okay, I get it. So this car, if you don't know, is kind of modelled off, as Gilles said, the 504 Coupe or Coupe, right? So it has that kind of design aesthetic, and what they wanted to do is, instead of going fully high-tech and making you feel really uncomfortable with everything around you, because it's like all crazy like materials that you've never seen before, the outside is super futuristic looking. They wanted to combine the past and the future, so you'd feel more comfortable with going into the future. Is that kind of the deal?
Exactly. And you mix analog and digital, you mix big screens with wood and fabric.
Yeah.
And so you give it some timeless you know,
quality.
value.
We've also got to think about where we're heading with sustainability, for example, right? So this wood is actually sourced from sustainable forests.
Yes, exactly.
The rims here, they look super cool. Is this just for design or function? What's going on?
Oh, there's many things in here. Actually, the ideal rim in terms of aerodynamics is full. Actually,
Right.
could be a bit boring.
Okay.
As a design. So what we're trying to do is give it a lot of sculpture and yet fill the holes with some inserts.
Okay.
So 3D printed inserts merging together with the aluminium, and we have this cool feature also.
Yeah, this
that
is cool.
The logo always stays up straight.
You know, when you're driving on the road and you look in your rear view mirror, one of the main things that tells you what car is behind you is the headlights.
Yeah, exactly.
So you need to really develop something that is unique to that
Yeah, that's
car make or even the car model.
the tail lights, and we have this thing at Peugeot since the 504 Coupe of the 60s.
Yes.
Actually, that when it was born, it's those three claws, you know, the lion claws,
okay, yeah.
and the three lines.
It looks
And-
very muscle car-y. Is this something
Actually,
that you're going
It's
for?
an interesting thing. Actually, we didn't mean it like that, but actually in the 60s,
Yeah.
of course, we know the Mustang and the Camaro
Yeah.
and all those cars. But if you look at the 504 Coupe of the 60s, for instance, it had the same spirit.
Autonomous driving, we're going to try that. And then I'm going to try and drive it myself.
Okay, it's a bit cold now.
Yeah,
Just
it's getting
put
really
this on.
chilly.
Yeah.
No one in the car, as you can see. No one in the car. I feel like I'm some kind of magician right now. As you can see, there are no smokes and mirrors. No one is in the car. And we are about to make it drive. Okay, let's go. Open sesame. Hey, you need a secret word, you see? Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, we go for walkies. Walkies, I don't know. I keep walking cars for some reason. This one doesn't need a leash though.
Do a loop.
Come on. Let's go around this way. Pick up the tempo. Come on. I'm running with a car. That's crazy. Okay, stop. Wow. Guys, that's crazy, right? This is a realistic future, right? You and me, we probably still want to drive in future. We don't want our cars to drive for us all the time. So I'm going to get in and drive it now. Gilles, you want to come for a drive?
Yeah, come on, let's go for it. Magic.
Magic! Pretty damn cool. Pretty damn cool. This is a very special moment. I'm going to be the world's first person to drive this car outside of Peugeot. Only 2 Peugeot employees have driven this car till today. Gilles,
I haven't
you-
driven it even. I haven't driven it yet, so you're gonna drive it before me. It's
how does that make you feel? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll get over it.
You'll get over
Yeah,
it. Okay,
yes,
thank
yeah,
God.
it's
I'll
okay.
buy you dinner later or
Oh,
something.
yeah,
Yeah?
cool.
I've got my foot on the brake and I'm about to press the accelerator. It actually says power up. Okay, is everyone nervous?
No, I think it's fine.
No?
Yeah, it's
I'm the
really.
only nervous one.
But you're used to crazy cars,
Yeah,
so I think
I've
you'll
just-
be okay.
Hey, off we go. Off we go, people. Damn, Gilles, this is cool.
Yeah, concept cars are drivable, you know, at Peugeot. So we want people to experience what we mean, you know, in our future interiors and in what it is to drive a eventually self-driving car, you know, and when it comes back to use the steering wheel, how it's like. See what happens?
Yeah. Wow, it can go. It can go.
Oh, it can go.
It can go. Okay. Break time, break time. Oh my God. Okay. This is crazy.
Check this out.
Oh my God, look at this.
Wow.
We can see everything in front of us. This is all live.
Yeah, that's about
Right now.
enhancing the driving experience. You see, everything that's in front of you is being displayed. So
We can even see these birds
Yeah,
on
I
the screen.
know. So don't run the pigeons over.
Don't
But
run them.
let's go there now. Let's go.
That's crazy. That's amazing. Okay, let's see if I can do this turn. Pigeons, move! Move! Move, pigeons!
They always move last minute.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my god! That was awesome! Thank you so much. Oh, this is one of the best days ever. You've got 450 horsepower, about a range of 530 kilometers, and 0 to 100 is just under 4 seconds. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. This is where you're going to see the coolest, craziest cars. I mean, hello. Big thanks to Peugeot, and massive thanks to Gilles as well for showing me around. It's been so much fun. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. For now, we're out. Bye.